Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Heart Mini Waffle Maker. This waffle maker has a kind of a short cord, about 2.5 feet, so you can plug it on a countertop, but can't move it around much places, which is good. Uh, the waffle maker has a heart shape. As you see inside, it's a heart shape, and it doesn't come out or is removable. It doesn't have a on and off switch, so it comes on as soon as you plug it in. As you can see the light there. It's not a very bright light. I had to turn the light off so you could see it, but you can see it turn on and off there as I plug it in and out. See, with the light on, you can barely see that the light is on and off, but it heats up as soon as you plug it in, so just be ready to make waffles when you plug it in.